In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checklists repeatedly in Trello, 5 minutes. We're going to make your recurring tasks effortless by reusing the same checklist over and over. I'll show you 3 practical approaches: using Trello's card repeater power-up to automate new cards, copying a single card with its checklist, and duplicating an entire list when many cards share the same checklist. Start by signing into Trello and opening the board where you're working. Open the card you want to repeat. At the bottom of the card, look for the Power-Ups section and choose Repeat. If you don't see it, enable the Card Repeater Power-Up first from your board's Power-Ups menu. Once it's on, set how often the card should repeat, daily, weekly, or monthly, and adjust the day and time so it fits your workflow. Next, choose exactly where the new card should be created. Pick the destination board, the list, and even the position in that list. When everything looks right, click Save to activate the automation. From now on, Trello will create a fresh card on your schedule with the original checklist ready to go. This is great for routines like weekly reviews, onboarding steps, or monthly reporting. If you prefer a quick manual method, find an existing card that already has the checklist you want to reuse. Open it and click Copy. In the Copy options, make sure you keep the checklist selected so it transfers to the new card. Choose the destination board and list, then click Create. You'll get a duplicate card with the same checklist, and you can immediately update the title and description to match your new task. This is perfect when you don't need a schedule, just a fast duplicate. When you have many cards that share the same checklist and you want to replicate the whole set, copy the entire list. Go to your board, open the menu for the list you want to duplicate, and select Copy List. Trello will create a new list with all the cards, including their checklists, preserved. This is a quick way to spin up a new project phase or template set without rebuilding anything. To keep things tidy, consider renaming copied cards and lists as soon as they're created, and review due dates or members if they carried over. Whether you automate with Card Repeater or copy cards and lists on demand, you'll save time and keep your process consistent.